Abia still in the building. 2W4. It's another one.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, make way. Whether you be Samson or Delilah, male or female, or your girl, it no matter. Clear road for Jaga Jaga. Your time don't reach now. I want to enter. Now me, I don't come again with a brand new style just to blow your brain. And if you feel that you cannot stand the pain, oh yeah, come out for road that they come like them. If I jam you now, it's a very bad thing. Don't allow me to do a very, very strong thing. Cause now, Emeka don't graduate. I don't big pass you now, I'm not your mate. Oh yeah, open your ear now, pay attention. This is a very new erotic invention. My main intention is to cause tension. And if you feel that you're smart, meet me for Junction.
Let me see you whiny, bumping and grinding, jump like say you know send.